Son of a bitch. Instead of hitting pause, it didn't work. But backyard. Big old pile of sticks. Weed whacked, mowed, weed whacked, mowed, weed whacked, and mowed. Behind the garage, all the way to close to it, all mowed. My weed whacker died, so I couldn't get no more done. But all I got left is just this little corner over here. But GA Pyro, Pyro PD, I'm taking heed to what you said. I'm getting some shit done, and not being a fat lazy little bastard, you know, because idle hands are the devil's hands. So I gotta keep my hands busy. So my new lawnmower, Craftsman, black Craftsman. It was red, now it's black. Because Black Lives Matter. Come on, dog, get in here. Okay. So, the original reason why we are here, we are going to do a small TNT unboxing. Let's see if this is worth the $20. I don't know. It looks like there's stuff up there in the corner. You never know. You know, sometimes they just hold on. Unpause. Alright, so let's start from the top because I'm always over the shit with all of you. And look at this. Glow fuse, man. TNT. And I don't know if this is just fountains. Look, already. Look, already. Sky Shooters. Shoots flaming balls with report. Cool. I bet that's just like a little tiny like little green shell that you get. Oh, and tucked in the corner, we got some ground blasters. I wonder if these are the ones that are black, because they got some ground blasters that are black, and they are wicked. Oh, and they are the black ones. They're not like your regular little poppers, bud. And I wanted to buy some of these pods. Normally they come in 6, but you can see this one, it only comes with 4-piece. So I'm already off to a good start, man. We already got 3 items, and each item has more than one item in it. And we got some TNT ground bloom flowers. Gotta have the. Oh, look at this. Is this what I think this is? 4-piece monster blast. Limit sparklers and crackles. What are these sparklers? Curious. Like, what the heck is it? Oh, crackling balls. That's cool. Look at. I'm gonna have to keep that, dude, just because the label's different. You know what I'm saying? You don't see many crackling balls come like that. I have to go to fucking Wally World and buy me a whole new kit just to collect. Okay, now we're getting to some of the better stuff. It says we got TNT Little Monster shoots flaming balls. Yeah, I don't really have no description. What the hell? So maybe it's just like a little mini barrage Roman candle type thing. I don't know. Then we got Crisis by TNT. 16 shots. That's kind of neat. Probably not like another little barrage thing. And then we actually have a small TNT shell. Crackling red star. Dude, this little thing has a little bit of weight to it, man. For a little TNT, it surprised me. Wow, this little one has a little bit of weight to it too. Small display shells, multicolor star, chrysanthemum. So, since we have 2 of them, should we light them both? Or should we take one apart and see what's actually inside of it? It's probably less than fucking 10 grams. Total lift and fucking flash. But we'll never know unless we find out, so what should we do? We'll never... I'm gonna light them both off. Fucking take one apart, light one off. Just like we got 2 crisis. Should we take one apart? Or should we light them both off? Oh, 3 crisis. Look at that. We got 3 crisis. And each one of those crises have 16 shots. So that's 16, 16, 16. That's... Come on now. Shoots performance. 1 shot green tail up to blast to yellow star turning to crackle. I wonder if these other ones have performance and I just didn't notice them. Sure don't. So Wild actually has the performance. 1 single shot. Okay, like that. Like that. Alright, last one but not least. Zombie War. Last but not least, Zombie War. And this one says... Figure it out your fucking self. Huh. Light fuse and get away, as BBQ Rando would say, to a launch pad. Alright, we're gonna have to demo one of these tonight. Whoever one gets the most demos will be the one that gets sparkticated. What is this? Let's check this out, guys. We like pyro information. Man, I've done this every year, so celebrate safely with state-approved fireworks. And this is back here on the back. Sorry. Huh. Well, last time they were doing a raffle and you should be able to win fucking carrot, like all kinds of shit, like shirts, hats, swag, sparklers, novelties and whatnot, but not this year. Well, that's from... This is from Walmart. TNT. The only place I will buy TNT products. And it says it contains 33 pieces. Oh, look right there. 6 ground spinners, 11 multiple aerials, and 16 specialty items. Cool. So, $20. Pyro Petey. I'm happy.